Being a mentor and a coach is really very rewarding, and it is also a very rich source of learning as well, though it is not without several challenges owing to the need for constant learning and development. My current position involves me in the instructional, managing, and guidance domains, which allows me to shape the learning of learners as well as my colleagues. One of the other major tasks that I have taken up is to facilitate professional development workshops. These sessions are aimed at enhancing the knowledge of the teachers and incorporating new methods into the practice. For instance, I recently conducted a training session on differentiation, to which we focused on various approaches that can be used to address the needs of the students in class. This not only improved the quality of teaching learning practices offered by the teachers, but also developed a positive organizational climate among the faculty members.
Regarding the educational context, coaching and mentoring have been universally acknowledged as some of the most important strategic approaches to human capital capacity building and ongoing training. Durbach and Palmer's other studies of coaching and mentoring suggest clearly that effective mentoring yields substantial improvement in teacher performance and student achievement as well as school climate. Therefore, understanding the concept of coaching, its techniques, and implementation practices such as offering feedback, reflection, and goal setting gives evidence that coaching can positively and significantly enhance teaching efficacy and students' engagement. In addition, based on the effectiveness for practice, more structured methods of finding and training mentors and their commitments are stressed to establish steady improvement and professional development for teachers of all the different training levels.
I encourage professional development by providing coaching to new teachers during one-on-one sessions. These sessions are very crucial to the first years as they aim at managing their classes and helping their students. I can recall an instance when I had a new teacher by the name of Sarah who had a serious issue controlling the students' attention. Through the week-to-week communication, we were able to develop individual strategies that would help her majorly in lesson plan and class practice, which improved her classroom practice. Mentoring is not only restricted to teachers, but it also concerns students. As a teacher responsible for managing our school debate team, I educate students on how to become better speakers and critical thinkers. This role includes such features as the coordination of the practice sessions, the giving of comments and participation in competitions with the team. I have enjoyed seeing students transform from becoming too nervous to speak in front of the class to becoming champions in debate.
In this context, a mentor and a coach must manage these systems flows while also offering teachers a stronger support and fighting for equal opportunities to achieve in school. Several theories which have been put forward assert that highly supported teachers will enhance their stays on the teaching service and also make positive impacts on the school communities. Consequently, it becomes pertinent to improve the approach in implementing the best practical and organizational mentoring and coaching frameworks to solve both short-term teaching difficulties and long-run systems problems. This role entails supporting and motivating teachers and students, navigating through the system's policies and structures, as well as fighting for equity for learners in education systems. This development activity, hence, is aimed at improving the coaching strategies so as to give new teachers a more efficient support and hence promoting culture of improvement and equity in the teaching fraternity. The developmental area specified for this activity deals with improvement of tutoring initial training teachers on class and teaching manners. The appropriate facet that I shall as a mentor focus is the effective approach to cheering the teachers by personalizing how best to support them and enhancing the formats of our professional development meetings. This focus is particularly relevant given the current responsibilities of the role, which include instructional leadership management responsibilities and presenting faculty development sessions geared towards enhancing instructional practices in teaching and promoting a positive work culture. They should involve implementing professional development workshops that enhance the knowledge level of teachers and implement the introduction of new practices in the teaching methodologies.